This is the NULAXY KM12 Backlit Bluetooth keyboard. It's slim and portable, goes to sleep automatically in 15 minutes. The battery in it, once you charge it, will last up to 60 days. It's backlit and you can adjust the brightness, and it has 5 different colors. It also has a built-in stand for your device. Comes in a nice little leather case like this. Just unfold it and there it is there. Pretty simple. There's an on-off switch over here and a connect button for the Bluetooth, and then you pair it up with your device and that's it. You can leave it just like this if you want, and you can put your device right here if that's good for you, or if you'd like, you can take this and it folds up like this, and now you can put your device right here. That acts as a shelf, and now you have like a mini laptop going on. So anyway, let me get everything set up here and I'll show you all the features. Okay, we're all set here, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And you can see the keyboard is backlit. We'll get into all that in a moment. And we'll press the connect button here. You can see the light starts flashing. I'll have it scan for devices. NULAXY keyboard. Now, it says to pair with, type on it 43683. 43683. Press enter. And that's it, we're paired. And for the best that you'll be able to see the screen here, I have everything all set. And you can write, this is a test, or whatever else you'd like to write there. This is just a notepad app. Obviously you can use this for writing an email, or better yet, you can be the big boy when you text. Your friends will text you something and you could reply back so fast typing on a real keyboard they won't know what hit them. Of course, you're going to still wait for them to punch everything in on the screen, but that's really that. So that's it. I mean, obviously you know what to do with a keyboard, but the keyboard itself is backlit, which I'll show you here. As you can see, it has different brightness levels. It has a brightness button here you can press. There are 3 brightness levels, and if you press the brightness button with the up and down, you can get 5 different colors. Okay, just like that. And when you're done, it just folds up and closes just like that. The keyboard itself has a micro USB port, same as used on many Android devices. The cable is included with it. Obviously you will need your own charger. Like I said, the battery on it lasts up to 60 days. That's based on 2 hours a day, and quite honestly I don't think that anybody should be using a mobile device for that long, at least in one sitting. It's a great thing to have. The ability to actually type. This is the one thing that any mobile device is missing. The on-screen keyboard is great, and a lot of people are real quick at texting. That's all fine and good. But when you have a real keyboard, and what's great about this is that it has such a nice key feel to it. They're actual real, you know, hard plastic keys. It's not like it is a rubber membrane keyboard, but it has the feel of like a laptop keyboard. So it's got a very good typing feel. You always know when you've made the key, and you can actually sit and use this as if it were one of those netbooks that they used to sell back in the day. It really, really enhances the mobile device experience greatly. And like I said, it lasts for 60 days on a charge. The backlit keyboard is great. It automatically goes to sleep. You might want to pick one of these up. If you are interested in picking one of these up, you can find it available for sale on Amazon. And I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.